Click on the link below to get price. The Austrian Audio OC818 Studio Set Launch Edition is a remarkable addition to any audio engineer's toolkit, delivering premium sound quality and versatility. This large diaphragm multi-pattern condenser microphone is engineered to excel in various recording scenarios, making it a perfect choice for both studio and live performances. Right out of the box, the build quality is impressive. The OC818 features a robust metal chassis that feels durable and professional. The sleek design not only looks great but also minimizes handling noise, which is crucial for capturing clean recordings. The microphone comes with a variety of accessories, including a shock mount and a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to transport and set up. One of the standout features of the OC818 is its switchable polar patterns. Users can choose between cardioid, omnidirectional, and figure-8 patterns, allowing for optimal flexibility based on the recording environment or specific sound sources. This adaptability makes it ideal for studio vocals, acoustic instruments, and even group recordings. The ability to switch patterns enhances creative possibilities, ensuring you can capture the essence of any sound. In terms of audio quality, the OC818 shines with its exceptional clarity and detail. It delivers a balanced frequency response, with smooth highs and rich lows that bring out the best in vocals and instruments alike. The sound is natural and transparent, allowing for accurate reproduction without coloration. This quality is particularly noticeable when recording vocals, where the microphone captures nuances and subtleties that elevate the overall performance. Another noteworthy aspect is the integrated Austrian audio app, which allows users to customize various settings and even adjust the polar pattern remotely. This feature is invaluable for engineers who need to make quick adjustments during a session without interrupting the flow. Overall, the Austrian Audio OC818 Studio Set Launch Edition stands out in a crowded market of condenser microphones. Its exceptional sound quality, robust build, and versatile functionalities make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about audio recording. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring artist, the OC818 will undoubtedly enhance your sound captures.